Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Scott Nelson here, and I just wanted to get this short video out to each and every one of you. There's some very, very exciting news that is going on. There's lots of buzz in the industry as we near the very beginning of the official launch of Onpassive. Most of you have been getting updates from me. I'm sending this out to all of the people over the last 12 months who have been waiting for this event to begin. It's getting very, very close now, so I thought I better drop a quick video out to our existing founding members with Onpassive, as well as those of you who have been kind of waiting, some of you sitting on the fence. Want to make sure that everybody is ready and kind of get you up to date. Just kind of a brief overview of Onpassive and how it is going to affect literally millions of people's lives in the coming months and years ahead. So with that being said, I'd really like to encourage you to kind of get into a quiet place, take the next 10-15 minutes and kind of watch this short little presentation. I'm going to update you on some of the things that are happening, that we know are happening, and also for those of you who have not yet got your founder's position, just a quick warning that the opportunity for you to take part as a founding member with Onpassive is nearing the end, and so there's a bunch of huge advantages, and I will talk to you specifically about the reasons that you should become a founding member before the opportunity goes away for the rest of your life. So anyways, those of you that are familiar and those that have not taken the time to pay a lot of attention, I want to tell you a little bit about Onpassive and the potential to literally change you and your family's life forever. And what I mean is, there are literally going to be hundreds, if not thousands, of millionaires that are going to be created through this compensation and advertising and online artificial intelligence marketing platform. And if you just stop for a second and ask yourself, or kind of dream a little bit about what it would be like for you and your family to be completely financially free, if money was no longer an issue for you, what would be the things that you could do, and what would be the things that you would want to do? Everybody has different dreams. I believe it's very, very important for each of us to think and dream big. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet, and boy, what an opportunity with Onpassive. It is going to be amazing. I've been a full-time work-from-home business entrepreneur now for 27 years, and I started in the home-based business arena back when I was 18 years old, so that's about 45 years ago. So this is truly the opportunity of a lifetime. I believe it is our own gold that we hold in our hand, and if you take a look at some of the things that we have been shown over the last few months in the preparation of the launch of Onpassive, I think you would agree 100%. You can take control of your life and also provide such an amazing life for your family, because with Onpassive you're going to have opportunity to do things that could never happen for most of us if we were working a regular 9-to-5 or 9-to-8 job. Many of us in the past have worked those 12 to 16-hour days, and yet we don't have any freedom over our life, over our finances, or over our time. And for me, the most important thing that I would want for everybody is the freedom to do things with your family, to spend that time, to take your family on beautiful vacation trips. If you had an opportunity over the next few years to become financially independent, literally become the anchor man for your family and port your business ship on the safest dock with Onpassive, would you take that chance? Would you take that opportunity? And you'll find out as we go through here, it's absolutely an incredible opportunity that is 100% risk-free. People want to know, what are some of the products that will be part of the Onpassive platform? Well, what isn't going to be part of the Onpassive platform is the better question, because you can look here and see that these products, autoresponders and bulk emailers, contact management system, crowdfunding platforms, cryptocurrency leverage programs, daily campaigns, sales funnels, video funnels, sales pages, landing pages, social media, your own webinar platform that's branded to you that can hold unlimited participants. What about sales and ad rotators and search engine optimization platforms? Your own list of your own branding domain names where you will be branded and not the company. The email campaign that clean your data for you so you can get your emails safely delivered. We'll have a humanitarian fund so we can participate in giving back out of our blessings. Posting on the internet, your own server base, print shops, private inbox, and much, much more. I've heard it said about the menu of benefits that will be part of the online platform. It will give you every online marketing tool that you could possibly ever need and even more. We have our own private Go Founders website. You're going to be able to beta test the Onpassive platform before we launch. You're going to be able to participate in sharing your ideas with our leadership council and be part of the inner circle. So I want to really encourage you. There's many of you, over 600 of you, that have wanted to become a founder. You still have not taken action. And when this opportunity goes away, it's going away for good. So don't drag your feet. The beginning of history made with Onpassive is upon us. Get ready, dream big, and make the jump, because this is your life. This is your one life here on earth, and you own it. So take responsibility for your family. Take responsibility for fulfilling your dreams of helping others. Onpassive is truly about helping others, and that's what we thrive on. And that help does not come by force, by trying to convince, by trying to recruit, because there is no selling or recruiting in order to qualify for awesome pay each and every day. If you like to recruit, you certainly are encouraged to do so. Help others to receive the same benefits that you could receive as a founding member. It comes by sharing your heart, and in your heart you will know if somebody will make a great founding member. I encourage you to join us with Onpassive as soon as you can. We have our own private Go Founders website. You're going to be able to beta test the Onpassive platform before we launch. You're going to be able to participate in sharing your ideas with our leadership council and be part of the inner circle. And when this opportunity goes away, it's going away for good. So don't drag your feet. The beginning of history made with Onpassive is upon us. Get ready, dream big, and make the jump, because this is your life. This is your one life here on earth, and you own it. So take responsibility for your family. Take responsibility for fulfilling your dreams of helping others. Onpassive is truly about helping others, and that's what we thrive on. And that help does not come by force, by trying to convince, by trying to recruit, because there is no selling or recruiting in order to qualify for awesome pay each and every day. If you like to recruit, you certainly are encouraged to do so. Help others to receive the same benefits that you could receive as a founding member. It comes by sharing your heart, and in your heart you will know if somebody will make a great founding member. And if not, they'll make a great affiliate. Either way, we will be able to help all those within our reach one way or another. This is exciting times. Get ready for the ultimate business flight. It's time to rise above the clouds, to dream and feel the sunshine with your hopes and your passion. I encourage you to join us with Onpassive as soon as you can.